Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop front swipe for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. Channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop front swipe, hopefully this video can help. Before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop front scoop. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When we start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance, looking at the ground in front of you. You're going to crouch down slightly and put your hand on the ground. Make sure you turn it a little bit as well. From here, you're going to jump off both feet at the same time and try to split your legs, and then land on your swing leg followed by your other leg into a backside stance. Now, just like all the other ones, you can perform this in different ways, and I recommend you getting used to these because you will have to use them in combinations later. You can let your back leg follow through to a front side stance when you land. You can spin 180 degrees into this trick, and you can also use a spin and a follow through to get the most momentum for the skill. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at sports. Next, we'll be getting into a front snap, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz. That bird is loud.